Finances ingredients here. Type of filler. Itong apat na to. Hi guys! Hello! Welcome to my vlog again. Wala ba kayong napapansin sa natural makeup ko? Tsaka, wala ba kayong napapansin today? Kasi I tried the new look. Kawawa naman ako sa eyelashes ko kasi itong dulo hindi nakadikit. But anyways, it's the second week of March and napansin ko ng aking agenda is hindi up to date. Meaning, kulang na siya ng papers na filler ko. I thought I'd share my agenda for this year. Ever since na pinost ko to sa TikTok, ang dami nagtatanong kung paano yung set ko or saan ko siya binili. All of these, ito, lahat ng binili ko dito na sa loob is from the Orange app only. Kahit yung mismong agenda ko, it's actually from the Orange app. Kasi I've been wanting the File of Flax na genuine leather. Yata yung tawag doon. Pero alam niyo ba kung magkano yon? Like, around 10,000 yata. And it's just for the single notebook. And sa akin kasi yung logic ko, kung magbibili ka ng ganun kamahal, dapat yung sistema mo, okay na. Kung baga, ginagamit mo talaga siya everyday or talagang nakaka-benefit siya talaga sa'yo. So, I just opted for the cheap one in the Orange app kasi hindi pa naman ako sure kung yun talaga yung gagawin ko sistema. Nakikita ko yung iba parang hindi nag-stick talaga sa isang planner. So, I think this is the best system for me, itong kind of planner agenda. If I'm getting the same benefit, the same purpose, and the same system naman sa mas cheaper na journal, edi dun ka na lang sa mas okay na kasi it doesn't really matter as long as you have the discipline, the consistency na ginagamit po talaga siya palagi. So, you just have to find the same na parang may binder or ring binder na ganito kasi ang pinaka nagustuhan ko kung ba't yung nag-work sa akin is refillable siya or ikaw na bahala kung ano mang ilalagay mo, kung paano yung chronological order ng planner mo. You can also customize it however you want kasi sobrang dali niyang gawin, sobrang dali niyang isistema. And as someone na ang daming planner na dumaan sa akin, so I love planning. I'm a Capricorn. Sobrang dali lang yan. I'm gonna provide everything as in step by step ganyan. So ito yung aking little planner stash or agenda stash kasi this is all the fillers. Refillable kasi siya. It's now the setup time, which is the most exciting part. This is what the agenda looks like up close. Syempre, fake leather lang siya. Meron siyang pocket here, which hindi ko alam yan. May mga notes lang ako, so you can have your stickers, your receipts, kung gusto niya siya laging dalhin. Actually, kaya butas to dito kasi meron pang additional na ring binder na pwede mong i-puslit dito. But I opted for a single ring binder na lang kasi masyadong overwhelming kapag dalawang ring binder. So, I just put my postcards here and then this lace. Tapos, may mga pockets ka lang na din dito. Moving on to my charms naman. Ang dami kasi, ewan ko, sobrang cute na cute ako sa kanya. Ito, kinuha ko tong mini journal charm, which is, nagbuksan talaga siya ate ko. As in, sobrang cute niya. Ayan, mini journal charm siya. I just got this kasi binili ko yung younger sister ko ng journal and then this is a freebie. Kinuha ka to! Ayan, sobrang cute. Also, the color is one of my favorite colors, which is parang olive green. Meron tayong, eto, rosary. Actually, nakaganyan dapat siya. Beautiful heart locket pendant from Tala by Kayla. Alam niyo naman kung gaano ko in-hype to, my library charm. So, dito ko na siya nilagay, which is my Fernando Pessoa, The Book of Disquiet library card. Now, for the front page. So, this is the fun part kasi you can customize it however you want. So, pwede ka maglagay ng picture mo. I've been seeing a lot of cute and good things na Pinterest and sa TikTok. Ang dami nila magagandang ginawang customized na front page. So, I wanted something na nakalagay is 2026 or my year. Something na text back here. Kaso wala pa kasi akong printer. So, eto, kinuha ko tong picture na to from my journal papers that I bought. I just have a few blank pages kasi nga I'm planning to design it. For our first filler, which is itong 2026 na yearly overview. Kung gusto mo nga siya gamitin as your planner, you just have to have this para makita mo yung all the months, all the dates. This is one of my favorites kasi mga ganitong type of agendas, ang pinaka-common sa kanya is yung ganito, yung foldable type of filler. So, this time, para madali mo siya makita if ever na kada may ganito ka, may theme ka or may purpose ka for this. I'm gonna use this as a 1 sentence a day. Makikita mo siya agad ng mabilis ang ganyan. Which was so nice. So nice. And then, right after that, we have this that I got from my journal papers again. Yung likod niya is this that I got from Cigarettes After S na concert. Nagsaktan ako kasi pinupit ko siya para magkasya yung size niya. I just have it clipped. Itong picture namin dalawa ni Emily. I just wanted a little bit more design here. Siguro mga stickers around here. Then right after that is my weekly or weeks na planner kasi I love Hobonichi. I love the Kenboard that I used last year. I think yung system na weeks works the best for me. Pero depende ka kasi may mga madaming options sa fillers or yung refillable na papers na different formats of planner. It just so happens na yung weeks yung pinakagusto ko kasi I like to see my week na makikita ko kagad anong meron sa Saturday, Sunday. And I want to schedule it accordingly. Kaya gustong-gusto ko yung ganung format. And then I also love seeing the note section sa kanan para yung mga iba kong to-do list or yung mga hindi naman specific na kailangan day. But I need to do it this week. At ginawa kong bookmark, Mrs. Fields na box, kinot out ko na ganyan. And then, I just added a little bit of sticker. Tapos, gupitin nyo siya ng ganito para ma-move nyo siya palagi. Current week mo, kumbaga. So, since I have this, lalagay ko siya dito. So, pag nakaganyan siya, makikita mo agad sa taas tong red. You can put anime pictures as your bookmark, which I want. I just need a printer kasi ang pangit magpa-print. And then, also, additional tip, which is itong sticky notes. Since sa akin sa everyday kong ginagawa, nag-film ako na-get. And since madami akong mga gustong gawing videos or gusto kong i-edit, I just have this sticky notes. Lagay ko lang siya dito sa bookmark. Different pa siya sa notes section ko kasi this is strictly all the videos that I need to film or need to edit para madali ko siyang makita. I also have this as a divider. Kasi dapat itong size na to yung M6 yata or M8 kasi dapat bumili ako ng sobrang liit na gantong type of ring binder. This was supposed to be for that pocket size. So, next time na lang kasi I'm still using the notebook that my mom gave me. And now, moving on to this, which is yung parang month overview naman. So, again, but so far, may mga different purpose naman ako sa kanya. Ay, bago ko pala na masabi, divided siya with different sections. So, lahat na makita nyo mga filler, magagamit ko siya for different sections. So, hindi lang siya yung planner lang, weekly planner, ganyan. Kaya, sulit talaga siya. May monthly overview naman, as in yung monthly setup. So, this is strictly for my derma appointment, dentist appointment, wax appointment, doctor appointment, government related appointment. Tapos yung mga 6 to 7 books ko na goal. And then 10 dishes that I want to try or to cook na new. So, since yung isa sa mga goal ko this year is 10 dishes and then 5 pastries, parang nilalagay ko siya sa monthly ko kung ano yung nagawa kong dish na bago. So, for example, I cooked for the first time gyudon here. So, may different purpose talaga siya for every goal. Kasi, pag yung mga goal mo, pag hindi mo winwork on, or hindi ka nag-force sa sarili mo na gumawa ng system for that goal, most probably, hindi mo siya ma-achieve. So, just to keep me accountable, I just have different system for each goal. Kaya, makikita mo different section tong agenda ko. I also have my yearly plan. Ayan, which I am planning to put like a mood tracker. So, what I'm planning to do is highlighter. Tapos, pag yellow, happy. Pag gray, sad. Tapos, pag mga dark, sabihin brown or black, it's like super down. And then, neutral is probably like green, ganun. And then, moving on, eto, our lovely Batman. We still can't find him, so hopefully this year makita namin siya. This is a packaging from a Kyoto temple na binili namin ng Omimori ba yun? Basta yung parang Lucky Charm nila, nabibenta nila. At the back, ginamit ko lang itong mga previous packaging ng nilin ko ng mga journal. So now we're moving on to my finances naman na section. Okay, I think I'm over the eyelashes already. Parang okay na ako. Medyo nahihiya ako ipakita yung financial goals ko, but I do have it, like yung gantong filler for my covers nga and yung mga goals ko. So, what I do is, since may ganito tayo, ayan, for the specific sectioning ng aking planner, meron tayong 3 different categories. So, meron tayong top priority dito sa taas, and then middle priority, and then, or parang middle effort, and then lowest effort or priority. Pinaka-top priority is my big goal. So, let's say na ang specific na financial goal mo is to earn 50K a month. So, lalagay mo siya dito. And then, ito ba sa akin? Hit my first blank pesos. Specific na sabihin natin 6 digits, or 7 digits, or 300,000 on savings, etc. Yung mga ganong big goals. And then, yung second naman, which is yung middle difficulty, I guess, or middle goal, which is my track and budget finances 100 pesos a day challenge. So, these are medyo attainable goals na hindi mo kailangan sobrang todo effort na i-attain mo siya. Pero, same with the system pa din na financial goals. So, yung mga track and budget ko, which I am really bad at last year, kaya kailangan ko siyang implement this year. So, it's one of the more simple. And then, yung pinaka-last is yung low effort na talagang kahit anong gawin mo is ma-achieve mo siya. So, I do have my, halagay dito sa akin, monthly allocation on blah, blah, blah. So, yung kung may specific system ka sa budgeting mo, which is the allocation on savings, on emergency funds, on splurging, or kung may pinag-iipunan ka, like gusto mo ng bagong camera, gusto mo ng makeup, na bagong makeup, so it is included here. So, pinaka-lowest tier. And then, I also have low by year, high earnings. I am trying my best to have a low by year, but it's still March, so hindi ko pa masasabi kung we are on the right path so far. I think it kind of lessened my impulse buying siguro, sabihin natin. Right after that, I have this blank page na may number of the month. Pag binuksan mo siya, sa likod niya is my finances recap. So, nandito yung income ko, andito yung expenses ko, which we'll be getting into na section. Ito yung page na katabi niya, which is my low buy nga na goal. Again, for the specific fillers, may specific akong goal para ma-track ko kung na-achieve ko ba siya. So, ito makikita nyo, di ba? Throughout the planner, paulit-ulit tong filler na to, but different purpose. So, that's what I like about it. Hindi siya specific na, kunyari, yung monthly na filler, dun mo lang siya maggamit. So, bahala ka talaga sa buhay mo kung anong gagawin mo sa kanya. At yung palagi nyo makita ng refillable paper, which I just showed you, kasi meron siyang, ito din ako sa different career section ko, sa personal section ko. Madami ka talagang magagamit sa kanya. Kasi isang pack na mabibili kung may track ka na mga books na binabasa mo, or mga date nights nyo. So, makikita nyo dito na meron akong color, which stands for if wala akong binili. So, this is kind of like the reward, or para makita ko kagad na, okay, wala akong binili that time. Since I'm setting it up for March, yung likod lang niya, which is, ayun din yung maganda sa kanya, like, back to back ang mga filler, para hindi sayang. Palang so far yung March ko. Pero i-update ko siya mamaya kasi it's already March 12 yata. Ang ating next page after the low budget tracker, ito ang ating expenses tracker naman. So, yun lang, literal lang. So, yung mga binili mo, yung mga ginastusan mo, ito lang, yung description, and then yung amount. And then yung income, hindi ko siya dito nilalagay kasi dun sa pinaka-recap ko nilalagay yung mga income ko. So, I have 2 sections. This section is for my fixed expenses. So, nilalagay ko lang yung date, or yung month dito sa date. So, for March, I'm gonna put March here. So, for the details ng fix ko, I'm just gonna put fixed here. We have the rent, the electricity, the water, the internet. Dito sa apartment kasi meron kaming shared na electricity because sa buong building or buong apartment, ilaw sa mga garahe, etc. So, shoulder din namin yun. This unnecessary expenses ko or groceries na kumbaga maano mo naman siya, ma-adjust mo naman siya every month. Okay, so nilagay ko tong cover page na to for my March. So 03 siya. Siya na yung magiging recap ko for this month. So, yung gamit ko na filler for the expenses, again, nakaset na talaga siya. So, you have a lot. As in, it would take you months and years to finish this kasi sobrang dami niya. Back to back pa siya. Kaya, sulit na sulit siya. Siguro mga 6 pieces lang yung magagamit ko this year na ganitong expenses tracker. After na expenses tracker, we have another cover page na DIY ko lang. Lagyan ko lang siya ng ganito para parang bookmark din or page marker. So, we have my personal goals naman. So, I can show you this kasi hindi naman siya super personal. Personal goals, again, categorize siya. Highest priority naman to. Tapos yung middle priority and then yung lowest priority or parang magagawa mo siya kagad. So, yung pinaka-task ko is read 77 books this year, heal my alopecia and acne, wisdom tooth removal. So, I finally got my one side. Pero yung other side, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get it this year. General body checkup, which I haven't done. And then sa middle, we have get HMO. Hit 8 hours of sleep. Learn to cook 10 dishes. Bake 5 pastries. Sa pinaka-lowest naman, do monthly highlights, recaps, update journals daily, update photo albums. Ang gagamit ko naman tong type of paper or filler just to keep track kung ano yung mga nagawa ko na or gagawin kong goals. Customize lang ng mga stickers na binili ko. We have my favorite isaw, sisig, and this the sticker from the time we met. Book Talk ni Forum. So from Jane, this is from Jane. So dito ko siya nilagay sa aking makeup bag. Ayan, dito ko siya nilagay kasi I'd rather be reading nakalagay. I always carry this makeup bag. I'm so sorry, pero I forgot kung kanina galing to. Books are better than people. I'm not really sure if it's from Ate Sunday. Ayan, pagka-flip mo, bogs, meron tayong blank page. I only use this marker para sa mga personal goals ko. And super cute na kasi meron siyang keychain na ganyan. So, tuntua ako sa kanya. Now, we're going to the exciting part, which is my habit tracker. Since I don't really need to refill pa kasi on the other side, I have my March tracker. Sure niya pag empty. Ayan siya. So, back-to-back na naman siya. One page is 2 months already. So, ano yung gusto mong i-track na habit? So, I have my reading for 30 minutes, walk, floss, skincare, hair care, minoxidil, 4 hours of screen time, declutter, transfer files, 8 hours of sleep, 1 hour morning routine, and then body care. So, that's basically it. So, in-X ko lang siya. Basically, ito yung date niya. Dito mo makita yung date. X mo lang kung ginawa mo siya for that day. Month is here. You can also do this for whatever, like workout. Although nakalagay na habit tracker naman dito, pero pwede mo siyang palitan. And then this is customized, which is my cleaning checklist. As you can see, hindi siya pantay kasi handwritten ko lang siya. So this is specific for me. It's not for everyone kasi I am managing my apartment. So kailangan ko siyang linisin palagi. Since I've noticed na medyo tatamad ako pag isang bagsakan for one day, ginawa ko, yan, every day for the weekday, may specific na section ako. So, for Monday, kitchen, Tuesday, living room, etc. This is also customized. So, bang taga ginawa to, which is days I read. January, February, March, April, ayan. And then, the date. Blank page na naman to na filler. So, I highly recommend also purchasing blank pages. Design mo yung gusto mong i-design. Carhartt yata to na ginamit ko lang from their paper bag or postcard. Nabinigay nila. And now, I have my career goals. Very nakakahiya siya ipakita, but ang mga specific na nakalagay dito is daily vlogging, big brands collab, so-and-so earnings, monthly income, ganyan, from our content creation. For my career na section, I just use this yearly plan na filler. And you have multiple papers again. Yan, monthly tracker. So, ang ginagawa ko sa kanya, since I want to keep track na of my specific kasi na gusto kong subscribers na may hit. So, every day or every week, nilalagay ko lang yung numerics or kung ilan na yung subscribers ko para matrack ko kung, uy, parang magiging 10k na tayo, uy, magiging gito na tayo, X amount of subscribers ka, madali siyang makita. For the example, diba, madali mo siyang makita kung ilan na or anong month yung nakuha mong ganong subscribers. It all comes down to purpose. Like, for specific goal, like most of the goals nag-fulfill kasi hindi nyo siya kinikip track or hindi ko siya kinikip track for that matter kasi may mga tao pa din na nag-work or nag-strive for their goals without even planning for it. Pero for me specifically, since dami kong gustong i-hit na goals for this year and besides my career and my personal goals, kaya parang feel ko ang dami nagtatanong sa akin paano ko nababasa ng daming ganong libro. I push myself to do it and it's not because I'm forcing anyone to read as much as I read, pero it's only personal kasi parang feel ko yung ibang mga tao pag sinabi mong I hit this X amount of goal, parang feel nila sasabihin mo sila gawin nila, pero hindi naman. Like, it's all all personal and it's all depende sa'yo and kung paano ka nag-ooperate. Kasi in my case, I love pushing myself as a Capricorn. And next naman, ginamit ko na naman ng ating monthly overview na itong monthly na to, which meron tayong gantong design. And then, for my career section, ang ginamit ko naman siya is for my TikTok. Since one of my goals is to earn some commissions from that affiliate, I guess. So, I make it to a point na I upload at least once a day or 5 times a week na involving about the affiliate. Keep track ko lang siya dito kung na-post ko na. Like, for example, my lace pants kimchi ko na account para makita ko na nag-upload ba ako every day or nag-upload ba ako every other day para makip ko yung self ko na accountable. And then we just have another one of these na naman, but this time it's purely for content naman. The last one is just my YT video ideas na nasa blank paper. And then so far, ayun pa lang naman siya. Since we are refilling or preparing for March, medyo konti lang to kasi nga nakapag-prepare na ako from February kasi nga back-to-back yung mga papers. But ang ating weekly, ubus na siya. So, I'm gonna refill it. This is how you do it. So, pinras ko lang tong dalawang to. Both sides para magbukas siya na ganyan. And then, we're gonna take our paper, which ang aking the best na system, which is yung weeks. Hindi ko lang alam yung iba kasi bago nila yung per day kasi nga super dami nilalagay. But for me, I don't really need that detailed na makita yung day ko. And then yung iba nagka-time based na planner. But I do that on my laptop naman, like yung specific time kasi I don't want to waste paper. I have one. I think I'm gonna have 3 sets kasi March 12 na eh. So, yan, back to back siya. So, for the note section, ginanon ko lang siya. Tinalikod ko lang siya. And then, the left side is for our weekly overview. And then, just snap it back na ganyan. Month is, circle mo lang 3, Monday, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 12 na ngayon. 13, 14, 15. So, that's about it. And then, dito sa right side ko, usually, like, your reminders lang, like, to edit this, and then, etc. And then, yung usually nalagay ko dito is yung mga videos ko to upload, or videos to make. So, yun lang. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And then, my Mrs. Fields, put it here. So, yun siya. Ito mo lang lalagay yung ballpen mo. And that's about it. Update ko na lang kayo if I do have another, pag may nilagay akong bago. But so far, I think this works the best. Wala lang akong mga design masyado. Kaya medyo hindi ako proud sa kanya kasi gusto ko yung talagang makikita ko yung lahat. I kinda wanna do a retouch a bit sa ating lips. Parang ngayon ko na nabibitan yung ganito. Kasi I wanted to try something very different sa usual kong lips. Minsan masyado siyang heavy tignan. Pag yung lips ko is very pink. I actually really like it. You're gonna see me in this lipstick for the next few months. Kasi sobrang bongga talaga niya. Anyway, so lipstick that I bought, I actually got it yesterday. Actually quite hungry and just I realized na meron pala akong pinaplano na pinili ko. What we need is... Asan na ba yun? You got that guy. Huh? I might have to put you down first. I need the eyeglasses. Ayan. Oh no. Where is it? Ow! Ow! I am going to make myself a snack kasi I'm kind of hungry and medyo tinuto ko na yung crab sticks. So, I'm gonna prepare a bit for the base. All you need is this. Hindi naman specific kailangan olive oil, but I got this seaweed. Tawag dito, parang may tawag dito seaweed sheets. Smells Smells good. And then you need some rice, Japanese mayo. I think by this time you can already guess what I'm gonna do. Wala lang tayo cheese, but I also have cucumber. So I love cucumbers. This is like a quick, lazy day snack. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients here. Ba't parang yellowish naman tayo? Okay, so we have all of our ingredients here. The crab sticks. Ayan siya. Wait, wash my hands. Might have to cut the cucumbers muna. So, hindi pa ka nag-research kung ano dapat itsura niya. So, I'm gonna make it my own way. Which is, bahala na si Batman. Just gonna put a little bit of a rice, pero not super kasi this is only a snack dapat. Hindi naman siya dinner. Guys, I'm literally eyeballing it lang. Like, I love crab sticks, as in, super love ko to. So, let's see. Hindi siya aesthetic, pero let's see if it's actually good. Oh my gosh. Okay. That came out of nowhere. Taste test. Oh no, masyado palang malaki. Okay, noted. Definitely add the cucumber. Nakakano siya, nakaka-freshen up siya ng lasa niya. Super love ko talaga yung crab sticks. Kahit fake crab lang siya. I'm gonna make more so I can eat more. This is the final. Pero hindi kasi siya yung normal na yung dapat ganyan tsura niya. Naka-fold siya. So, hindi lang nag-glow yung iba. Pero ito, okay na siya. It's time to eat! Also, it's 5:05. So, malapit na ma-upload yung Read With Me. I'm super excited. As in, I love when I'm excited na i-upload. As in, dapat nga kahapon i-upload ko na siya. Sobrang excited ko. Pero, I have to calm myself down kasi mamaya magsawa kayo sa fest na to. Charles. We're just gonna eat a bit while we're waiting for the timer. Hanap lang ako ng mga libro na pwede kong i-recommend. So, this is what I got. Kasi I wanted to do more book recommendations in TikTok para makita niyo yung mga iba kong like taste. So, I recommended this one muna. I mean, I'm about to film it kasi the movie is coming out this month. And I've been hyping this up. Kasi tagal ko na siya binasa, diba? Parang mga 2 years ago ko pa yata shinare. And I really enjoyed it. Super. As someone na hindi masyadong nagbabasa ng sci-fi, I think, alam niyo naman na si Andy Weir, like, kung binabasa about sci-fi. Kasi I really enjoyed The Martian when I was a teen. Project Hail Mary is also good. And kinuha ko na lang din tong The Invention of Morel kasi surprisingly, I think not a lot of people still know about this. Although, this is a very hype libro when it comes to NYRPs. And then, Convenience Store Woman. This is a classic. Hindi classic na classic, pero classic recommendation sa book talk when it comes to Japanese literature. And I think this is very timely. Hustle culture and parang napo-force ka to be productive and to be successful. Hindi ka naman need sumali sa rat race or you don't really need to be someone's definition of successful, kumbaga. Nung nakaraan, gumagawa ko inspired look ni Ada Wong. So, si Ada Wong is part of the Resident Evil universe. Ginagaya ko yung makeup niya, te. Tapos, sobrang pangit. Ang ganda na ng eyes ko, Kasi medyo na-achieve ko na yung eyes niya. Pero yung lips niya, together with the lips, kasi ang pinaka-nude kong lip is very pinkish pa din. So, I was like, ano bang nag-make ng look niya? Bakit ibang-iba sa look ko? So, I realized it's because the tone of the lips, which is very pinkish pa din siya, nagka-clash siya with the eyes. I purchased these. Oh my gosh, excited ako! Sana maganda siya! As in, na-excite talaga ako, promise. Denied buy ko lang to. So, sana maganda siya. Kaya natitraban ko kasi mag-makeup ulit. First product natin is itong lip base. And this is Heart Percents Dote on Mood All Cover Lip Base. Try natin, ha? Huwag niyo akong judge. Wait lang. Try pa lang naman. Okay, so basically, yung base kasi pang-neutralize ng lips mo. Kaya minsan hindi bagay or iba-iba yung itsura ng mga lips natin. Kasi nga, hindi naman lahat pare-parehas ng kulay ng lips. We are finally using Oh! Ang cute! Ang fun! Meron siyang ganito. Cute! Cute, cute, cute! Ito yung itsura niya. Actually, wow! This is 100% Infinity Glowy Rings in Teddy Mocha. Gusto ko na siya gamitin palagi. Secret lang natin to. Charaz! Now that we are kind of done with our content for today, it's now time to choose among my books. Kung anong babasahin ko, wait. It is now time to choose our read of the day. Ewan ko, anong pumasok sa kokote ko kagabi kasi sobrang wala nag-i-stick sa akin na libro. So, I was reading 4 books na already. I started 4 books already yesterday lang. Kasi wala talaga nag-i-stick sa akin. Parang, hindi naman sa book slump feel ko, pero wala lang talagang akong interest masyado sa binabasa ko. So, I was looking for a good book to just waste my time with. Basta gusto ko lang magbasa for 30 minutes kagabi. So, this happened. As in, etong 4 na to, sinimulan ko. And ito na siya. So, kada book hanggang, ko, dito. So, it was around 20 pages pa lang. So, yan yung bookmark ko. And then, for the Brideshead Revisited, since I read this earlier for my Read With Me, I got until 100th page. Pero kagabi, hanggang lang din nata ako dito, hanggang 20 or 30 page. And then, this one, On the Road, I'm actually only in the first page. For The Gate by Natsume Soseki, I am on page 17. Ito na current. Gabi, tagal ko na binabasa. January pa yata. So, na ako dito? 257. Parang kalahati na ako sa kanya. Dami kong currently reading na pile. This is actually, I'm guessing, one of the highest number of my current reads. I think I'm gonna read a bit now that I'm talking about it. Parang gusto ko tuloy malaman in a few chapters kung anong mangyayari dito sa The Housekeeper. So I think I am gonna read a bit.